Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I am Sakshi and we are going to discuss daily current affairs as on 8th October 2020. Before beginning, I would like to introduce you with SSB Crack Exams. It is one of the leading institution if you are preparing for defense examination like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, Territorial Army and for other defense examination as well. SSB Crack is best for you. You can visit our website for more details regarding the courses that we offer. There you will find the entire courses, mock tests, quizzes, study materials and everything. You can also follow us on our social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Telegram for defense updates and notification. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and download our mobile app SSB Crack Exams. So let's start with the question of the day from the yesterday's session. And the question for you was, what is National Supercomputing Mission? The question was, what is National Supercomputing Mission? So actually it was announced in the year 2015. National Supercomputing Mission was announced in the year 2015. It is implemented and stewarded by jointly Department of Science and Technology (DST) and Department of Electronics and Information Technology. The mission, it was set up to provide the country with the supercomputing infrastructure, and this is to meet increasing computational demands of academia, researchers, MSMEs, startups. And this is to be done by creating the capability, design, manufacturing of supercomputers indigenously made in India. Okay. So henceforth, the aim of this mission is to connect the national academic and research and development institution with the grid of more than 70 high performance computing facilities. Okay. 70 high performing computing facilities, and this is at estimated cost of 4,500 crores, and this is to be done over in 7 years. So this is it about the National Computing Mission. Now let's start our day with the first important news that we have today, and it is about the India and Myanmar to work towards operationalization of Sittwe Port. Okay, Sittwe Port, India and Myanmar, they have agreed to work towards the operationalization of Sittwe Port, which is located in Rakhine State in Myanmar. And this is to be done in the first quarter of 2021. So Sittwe Port, it is located in Kaladan River. You need to remember all these things. This can come, right? This is located in Kaladan River and it is being financed by India as a part of Kaladan Multimodal Transport Project. Write it down in the comment section, the important components of this particular project. It is basically a collaboration between India and Myanmar. You can see the location here. It is located here. This is India, Kolkata, and from here, this is the total multimodal Kaladan project, and this is the Sittwe Port here in Myanmar. The project, it is aimed at developing transport infrastructure in southwestern Myanmar and northeastern India. This is the part of northeast India and this is southwestern Myanmar. Okay, so this is very important thing. Do remember location of the Sittwe Port and on which river it is located. Now next important update we have is about the API integration between Prime Minister Savanidhi and SBI portal. So Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs recently launched an application programming interface, which is API, and it is an integration between the PM Savanidhi portal and State Bank of India portal, and it will be a part of Prime Minister's Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi, which is PM Savanidhi scheme. What is the aim? The aim is to ease the processing of loan application, okay? Ease the processing of loan application, and this integration will facilitate seamless flow of data between PM Savanidhi portal and SBI's e-Mudra portal, okay? And this is going to benefit the street vendors seeking a working capital loan under this particular scheme. Now moving ahead and talking about the Nobel Prize in Chemistry, and I'm really sorry for the yesterday mistake. The Nobel Prize in Physics is given to Andrea M. Ghez, Roger Penrose and Reinhard Genzel. Now talking about the Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2020, it has been awarded to 2 women, and the 2020 Nobel Prize in Chemistry is awarded to Emmanuel Mary and Jennifer A. Doudna. They have been awarded for the development of methods of genome editing. This is the very first time the Nobel Prize for the chemistry, it has been awarded to 2 women in the same year. And when we talk about Nobel Prize in chemistry, it has been awarded 112 times between 1901 till date, which is 2020. And this Nobel Prize for Chemistry, it is awarded by Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, Stockholm, which is in Sweden. Okay, so this is about the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Now talking about today, 8th October, it is celebrated as Indian Air Force Day. Indian Air Force Day, it is celebrated on 8th October every year. This day, Indian Air Force was officially established, and it was officially established in 1932. The day it is observed to increase the awareness about the Indian Air Force in any organization of the national security, both officially and publicly. So 8th October, please remember Indian Air Force Day. Now I'll be telling you the current COVID-19 situation in India as per 7th October 2020. The total cases have reached to 67,57,131. The recovered cases have reached to 57,44,693. The active cases have reached to 9,07,883. The deaths have reached to 1,04,555. Here in this chart, you can see the state-wise data, and these are the top states. Now it is time to revise the entire session with the quiz. Try to answer these questions. So the first question is, Sitwe Port is located in which of the following country? Sitwe Port, it is located in which of the following country? India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, South Korea. So the correct answer is, it is located in Myanmar, and it is located in the river Kaladan. Now the next question is, who all have been awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2020? Emmanuel, Jennifer A. Doudna, both, none of the above. So the correct answer is both. Now the next question is, Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on 8th October, 9th October, 10th October and 11th October. So the correct answer is 8th October. Now it is time for question of the day. Try to answer this question in the comment section. So the question for you is, what is Kaladan Multimodal Transit Project? We discussed about this, right? So try to answer this in the comment section. We will discuss complete and detailed answer in the next session. Till then, stay motivated, work hard. I'll see you in the next session. Jai Hind.